It has a breathing light and a cooling fan. This is what a 9-gram phone should look like. Let's take a look at the OPPO K15 Pro and K15 Pro Plus together. This white one is called Cyber Lightwing. The entire back cover is covered with patterns similar to Kevlar, and the cool, bold design is fully displayed with the back facing up. At the bottom of the back cover, it even says Active Cooling Master Wind, giving it a full-on gaming vibe. The key point is their ultra-thin racing deco, which only protrudes by 0.5mm, yet it still has a magnetic lens. Decorative kit. Is it really this flashy? This set of magnetic stickers can only be used with the K15 Pro. The Pro Plus can't use it. First, this is a magnetic sticker. Peel off the adhesive side, stick it onto the phone, and press it down. Then it comes with 2 styles. We can just pick one at random and snap it on like this. And it's already on. Once it's attached, this is how it looks. Let's take a look at this other one. After putting this one on, the whole deco looks even more like that kind of black style, making its sense of unity stand out even more. At this point, we can pair it with our transparent phone case. This sense of unity really stands out immediately. It also comes with a semi-enclosed magnetic attachment point. We just place it like this. Isn't that pretty interesting too? The aluminum alloy mid-frame texture of the 2 models is still very well done. Then the K15 Pro's blue shadow breathing light is divided into 3 zones, including the ring around the flash, and below is the dustproof air intake. It supports IP69, offering top-level dust and water resistance, so you can rinse it under running water, and the airflow is still very strong. With the new Hurricane cooling engine, cooling is more efficient. The larger K15 Pro Plus in subtle pink stands out. The Pro is 6.59 inches, while the Pro Plus is 6.78. There's even a bottom shoulder button. The K15 Pro is eye-catching. Do you like these 2 models?